Hey everybody, this is part 2 of the last video. That's why I'm dressed the same. But this is for City Lips and I'm going to show you what they sent me. And I will be sending a few of these out to a lucky winner of my giveaway. All you have to do is leave a comment and I will enter you in the giveaway. And in 3 days the giveaway will be closed and I will pick the winner on random comment picker. So I cannot leave a reply to any of your comments because then I will be entered in the drawing also. So I have cream colored velour pants. They're like, see, they're loose on the bottom. I still have the navy bodysuit and this kind of a cropped sweatshirt. For me, it's cropped. I mean, I used to wear my crop tops up to here. Now this kind of short sweatshirt. And I have on gold sneakers too. I'll show you. But today I'm going to show you City Lips, the PR box that they sent me. Incredible, incredible, incredible. With all the lip glosses, body cream, eye cream. And I am going to give away a couple of the lip glosses. And I think my granddaughters are going to take most of them. So I will give you a couple of those and a few of my masks in the giveaway. So let's begin. I'm going to show you everything that's here. And this is the Rosie Mauve. Look at the box. Plum Springs. This is Tokyo Kiss. This is Blush Rose. Ooh, this is pretty. Tinseltown. This is Nude York. Oh, actually, this would go really nice. This is Pink Nude. This is Watermelon. This plumping lip gloss helps lips look fuller while reducing the appearance of lip lines and wrinkles. This lightweight, full coverage plumping lip cream instantly promotes the look of plump and defined lips using hyaluronic acid and oligopeptides. Put toes in. So many times I take a picture and then there's my toes in. Yes. When I take a picture like that.
Oh, actually, I like this one too.
And they're right, let me see, there's the glosses right there. This is Spice. Isn't that pretty? These are so pretty. Okay, this segment is filmed on another day. My nails are different and I'm putting a hat on. But I wanted to show you what else this company has. They have an advanced eye cream, which is just packed so luxurious. It comes with a spoon, a little jar like that. It's a hefty jar too. And the company claims that it's a transforming eye cream. It helps to hydrate, nourish, and protect the sensitive eye area to give you younger looking eyes. And it's called Advanced Eye Cream. Now they also have INVISICREPE Body Balm. And it claims to reduce the appearance of crepey skin to create a dramatically younger look and feel. It deeply hydrates, helps restore the look of firmness, smooths the look of wrinkled, and it's a solution for wrinkles, fine lines, thinning skin, dehydrated, and sagging skin. That is Invisicrepe Body Balm. They also have a restoring hand cream, and it claims to help diminish the appearance of aging, dryness, dark spots, and wrinkles to create overall a younger look. This is their hand cream. They have some pretty amazing products. And also, let's see what else. They have a multi-action sculpting cream, and it claims to, this cream targets the underlying cause of thin, sagging skin to deliver a powerful tightening effect from the inside out. Its formula uses proven lab-tested ingredients to replenish elastin, your body's taut skin compound, which, while reducing skin aging toxins that eat away your collagen and elastin. Then they have the Dermal Reset Exfoliating Concentrate. Let's see what the company claims this will do. Dermal Reset Exfoliating Concentrate helps resurface skin for a younger look and feel. Gentle exfoliating acids clear away dead skin cells, while powerful extracts combat the appearance of dullness, discoloration, and wrinkles. It has white lupin and sunflower blend, and a alpha hydroxy acid that brightens and smooths the complexion. Yes, yes, excellent. And the last product that I have from them is the Line Blurring Wrinkle Filler. Now, this line blurring filler, as stated by the company, is an intensive spot treatment that fills in creases and instantly blurs the look of wrinkles. The active ingredients support and plump skin from the inside out for a smooth looking complexion. And it says to apply a small amount onto fine lines and wrinkles, dab with finger to fill lines in until fully blended. Allow product to dry before applying makeup. Now, I am going to apply it right here. So first you squeeze it out. You see? And now, I am putting it on over my makeup. Now, they say put it on before your makeup. The problem I have with that is that once you put your makeup on, you're moving everything around and you're moving it off the wrinkle. So I like to put it on after. That's why I never put concealer on first, because your foundation's going to move it. So I don't get that concept people say to do that, you know. But it does give you a blurring. I have a little divot there. I'm going to put it right on my nose. And around my crow's feet. This is a fun product. This is a fun product. And this product with the exfoliating, it has to work because of the alpha hydroxy. And then the sculpting cream, I'll use on my neck, and the body balm on my body, and the hand cream on my hands. So that is all the lip plumping products and the face products that they sent to me, and I think they're pretty interesting. So if you'd like to try them, there'll be a link down below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a good day and a good week. Pray for the world. It's kooky right now, right? And remember, I love you. Bye. And if you care to enter, just leave a comment and make sure you're a subscriber. If you're not, hit the subscribe button down below and the bell, and you will be entered into this giveaway. In 3 days, I will pick the winner. I will close the giveaway. Yeah, and today I have on the same shirt I had on the other video, so because I didn't change. Sorry. They have free shipping on everything, by the way.